Okay, hi everyone, welcome back. In this update, we are going to check out HBAR, and first, let's go around here. You see, if you want to argue that your final low is in around this area, maybe this is like a very important support, then okay, you must be able to find off of the lowest low in here a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave on the upside. This specific example is a normal 5 wave. Rules for it are, we should not have overlapping of the waves between wave 2 and 4, and in any kind of impulsive structure, wave 3 should not be the smallest wave. This is a big no-no in Elliott's waves. Now, question, what happens after a 5 wave up? You know it, if you are a regular viewer of the main channel, we are going to have a move down, but this is going to be, if we are actually bullish, a slow and choppy move in form of a correction. And what's going to happen next? We are probably going to get one more big move on the upside. Now let's go on the live chart and see what is going on, because in the short term, starting from this low, I think I can tell you this is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up. Now at this point you might say, well, okay, I just said off of the lowest low, if we are able to find an impulse, then it means we are actually bullish and optimistic. Yes, but in the previous video we talked about the subject, because I'm not really able to find a very clear-cut 5 waves on the downside in this phase. Maybe in HBAR we are going to have an A, B, C, maybe in form of an expanded flat, which in it we are actually allowed to have an impulse on the upside into our C leg. Now, in an expanded flat into our C leg, we are going to take the height of our A leg right in here about, let's say, 21.5 cents. And if we are not going to take it, and for example, from here, we're going to get a move down, this is at that point called an ABC, a running flat structure. So what's the point that I'm trying to make? I'm trying to tell you that I did kind of expect this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 to play out, but right now, I shouldn't really be completely optimistic. No, in my opinion, we can say maybe this is like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 wave up, but that is not going to be enough for me to be 100% optimistic. No, after this 5 wave up, we talked about it at the beginning of the video. I want to see a move down, and a move down is going to happen. But for me, the shape of that move is really important. If we get a slow and choppy move, something like this, okay, you know what? Right in here, I'm going to call this point in HBAR our final low. On the other hand, if we get a very strong move, maybe like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you probably know what I'm about to say at that point. Our move down can continue a bit more, and in it, we are going to take the lowest low down here about, let's say, 17.9 cents. But we are probably not going to go a whole lot lower, and then soon, I'm hoping that we are going to hit the bottom. So for now, let's expect another move up in HBAR, but during that period, we need to be cautiously optimistic. This is very important to understand. And I hope I explained everything well and you understood what is going on in HBAR. And until the next update, I hope you have a wonderful time. Goodbye.